subscribers that have come to the channel. What if it is real? That's an interesting channel name. And Del Bonetta. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Hey guys, got a quick question. You ever see in the comments where you just have it's like a time and a name? What's going on with that? What is that? Somebody looking for advertisement or what? You just see in the comments, and then normally like first, so I guess it's computer generated. You just see a time, you know, the person's name. I don't even know if it's a real name. I never click it on. So what is that? Okay. Got two projects we're gonna do today. We're gonna work on. They're both Craftsman actually. This is the Easy Walk. You may have remembered the video from it. I finally got the blade adapter in for it, so we're gonna take care of that. Sharpen the blade up, put it on there. And this here, this was a freebie. I know it's a runner. So I fired it up, but I need to replace the cord here that runs here. Can't think of the name. I know Pates is going to jump in and give me the name. He always does. Okay, I'll change the oil. And it's missing a the box for the air cleaner. But that's no problem. Quite sure the carburetor needs cleaning. And let's see what it looks like underneath. Okay. A little way under there, but the blade is about done. But I'll clean it up, sharpen it up. Okay. And I'm gonna super clean them both with I'm gonna try the can spray on these. Okay, so we'll come back after. Get ready to work on this cable here. Let's see. Man, I collect them. And let's see which one we need here. Okay, got the kind with the little pop in there. I think I might have one. Let's just get them all out so we can see what we're looking at. Oh, here we go. I think I might have grabbed a good one. Okay, let's see. Looks a little short there. This one looks like it'll be a little short. Okay. I don't know if I'm going to be able to salvage this or not, but see all that crud in there? The bowl don't look too bad. The needles all, I tried to do it the quick way, you know, without taking the carburetor off, just cleaning the bowl. I mean, I know it runs because I sprayed some go-go in there, but I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna see what happens. Keep you posted. Here's my concoction here. It's just bad old gas, and just put it in there. I don't have a what do you call the things? Not a steam. You know what I'm talking about. I don't know why I want to say a steam cleaner, but you know that's not what I'm talking about. That you use to clean carburetors with. I don't have one yet, so not sure if this is gonna work, but hey, try it out. Still got some gulk up in there, but it's a little better. All the jets are open, so we'll soon see. Got the moment of truth here, guys, ladies. Both projects are just about complete, so before I get to clean them up, I'm gonna start them first in case they won't start after I clean them. So this one had the cable issue, carburetor, and I just noticed one of the wheels. And you know with those front wheel drive, you know with the plastic parts what happens. So not worried about that. Change the oil. I had to jimmy up a little thing here. Of course that won't work for the long run, but for the day, you know, I didn't have a cord that actually fits. So you see what I did there. And that one was just a blade adapter. So let's see what happens here. Let's see what it'll do for the camera. Oh boy. Let's come back to that one. Let's see what this one does after the blade break. It should be okay. Alright. And let's give her another shot. You have to give it a little help there. Okay, I forgot that it had a primer bowl. Yeah, I forgot that it has a carburetor got to prime it. Okay. Let's spray them down and clean them up. That's what we're going to use today. I'm going to be generous with it too. Okay? Get them all sprayed down here. Super clean. Okay, got them dosed up good. Let's get up in there. Dosed them up pretty good. Hit them with some water. All right, let's get some water on them. See, it's not good for it to dry, so. Oh yeah. Let's see what we come out with here. Okay. Of course, you know what that red's gonna look like. It's just something about a red mower, I tell you. All right. Both Craftsmans, and you know that's my favorite there because I'm partial to rear wheel drive. I just think the transmissions are a lot stronger, and you don't run into as many problems because normally with the front self-propel, especially when it's plastic, you're going to have major issues. So I'm going to see and weigh the odds with this one. Probably be best to keep it around because it look like my daughter may be a little hard on lawnmowers, so I always have a backup for her. And this is a little bit lighter than that. So I'll get the right cable. I'll see how much the wheel is because it was free. So if I have to put $25 in it, I mean, I could sell it for $125, but we'll see what happens. Okay. Well, that's it. 2 successful projects today, and I'm not going to start them up. I'm going to let everything dry off, put covers on them, and start them up later. All right, take care. Ronaldo, Big Son's Lawn Care, signing out.